Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our KentVision account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your KentVision account, what you can do is just open up your browser and then search for login KentVision. And after searching for that option, you will come up to this page where you have to tap on this first option which says KentVision portal. Just tap on that, and after tapping on that, now you have to tap on this option which says applicant login. And after tapping on applicant login, now you have to enter your username and password. After entering your username and password, now you can simply tap on login, and after tapping on login, you will successfully log into your account. But if you have forgotten your password or if you have forgotten your username, what you can do is just tap on forgot your password and tap on forgot your username, and then easily change your username by creating a new one. So just create a new username and just come back to this login page and enter that username that you have created, and then tap on login. And after tapping on login, you will successfully log into your account. But if you are from student and staff, you can just tap on student and staff login. And after tapping on student and staff login, now you can enter your email address. After entering your Kent email address, what you can do is just enter your password. And after entering your password, just tap on sign in, and after tapping on sign in, you will successfully sign into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your KentVision account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.